Hi, it's me, Justine. After over a month, welcome back to Open Minded Singing channel. And I'm beyond happy because we reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, you are amazing, and I really appreciate that you want to be here with me and sing and learn. You are great. Thank you. During last month, I met amazing people and they inspired me to do something from The Greatest Showman. And for this series, Rewrite the Stars seems perfect. Let me show you what you will learn. Oh my gosh, it's so good to be back. Let's go.
All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you. It feels impossible. Is it impossible? Say that it's possible. How do we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing can keep us apart, 'cause you were the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. And why don't we rewrite the stars, changing the world to be ours?
Before we will dive into singing, let me explain how it works. I will show you how to sing each voice in your favorite songs, and you can practice it first with me, then on your own, and finally sing it with other vocal parts. In the description and the first comment below the video, you will find a table of contents, and you can easily navigate between the parts. You can choose if you want to learn only one voice or all of them. You can repeat each section as many times as you want to and go to the next one whenever you're ready, and also you can come back to this video at any time and jump straight to the practicing. On the screen, you will see the lyrics, sheet music, and in the top left corner, you will find the name of the section. And that's it. Let's go. Rewrite the Stars, a duet by Zendaya and Zac Efron in the movie by Anna and Philip. So we have two vocal parts, beautiful love story, a lot of emotions, some high long notes, and what's most important here, amazing harmony. The fragment starts when they start to sing together, of course, and we have the bridge and one chorus. The whole thing lasts less than a minute, and it's not gonna be easy. I hope you like a challenge. So I will show you first how to sing a male part by Zac, and you can listen to it and sing it with me.
All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you. It's not impossible. Say that it's possible. How do we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing can keep us apart, 'cause you are the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. And why don't we rewrite the stars, changing the world to be ours?
You can of course repeat it and move on and sing it alone whenever you're ready. Great! If you know my videos, you probably noticed that I added something new. I got a suggestion from Valentinov to add to the score also the original melody beside the part you sing, and I think it's a brilliant idea. Eventually, I decided to add to the score all the vocal parts, and you can see your voice, those black big notes, and faded small notes, which are a second voice. So you can relate to it and visualize a little bit better where your part actually is. And I'm curious, what do you think about it? Is it helpful or not really? Let me know in a comment. And now we can sing it in harmony.
All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you. It feels impossible. Is it impossible? Say that it's possible. How do we rewrite the stars? Made to be mine. Nothing can keep us apart. 'Cause you were the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we gotta be. And why don't we rewrite the stars? Changing the world to be ours.
The second part, female part by Zendaya, and I have to honestly say that I've learned a lot thanks to this short fragment. I had to practice a little bit more to be able to sing it the way I want to, and I hope you will like it. Of course, you can sing it with me.
All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you. It feels impossible. Is it impossible? Say that it's possible. How do we rewrite the stars? Made to be mine. Nothing can keep us apart. 'Cause you were the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we gotta be. And why don't we rewrite the stars? Changing the world to be ours.
If you want to come back to any section, you can use the navigation in the first comment below the video, but you can of course move on and sing it alone, and I strongly encourage you to sing it on your own. Let's go. Awesome! You can sing it in harmony. Just a small reminder, big black notes are yours and the small faded notes represent the second voice. Let's go!
All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you. It's not impossible. Say that it's possible. How do we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing can keep us apart, 'cause you are the one I was meant to find. It's up to you and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. And why don't we rewrite the stars, changing the world to be ours.
Great! Thank you for singing with me, and if you liked this concept of learning singing, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell to get the notification every time I will upload the video. Please check out my other tutorials, maybe you will find something perfect for you, and if you would like to learn a harmony to a song that's not here, write me a title in a comment section. In the description below the video, you will find all the links to my social media, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And one more question. Will it be too much if I'll do something by Billie Eilish again? Let me know. Thank you once again. See you next Friday. Bye.
You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide, but I can have you. We're born to break and my hands are tied.